hillsides and the glens. No more we'd smell the broom and the heather, share the bannock with our kin, be laid to rest beside our fathers. It almost broke our hearts and minds to board the ship of tears. To board the ship of tears. We crossed the sea to flee the hunger, wasted rags of skin and bone. The fields we left were black and barren, a ravaged land no longer home. The coffin ships were filled with mourning. We'd one last look back to the land. The quiet men, the women keening. It almost broke our hearts and minds to leave the fields of tears. To leave the fields of tears. They came in floods in covered wagons, drove across our ancient lands. They set to scorn our elders' wisdom, take the path their Lord commands. They stole our hills, they stole our rivers, the Mother Earth with whom we're joined. They led us from our spirit fathers. It almost broke our hearts and minds to walk the trail of tears. To walk the trail of tears. They came in hordes across the desert, storms of dust that sear the skin. They said they'd come for our oppressor, they would make a meal of him. They said that we would earn our freedom and come to see their way is right. But still we weep and we are bleeding. They have not won our hearts and minds. We're on the road of tears. We're on the road of tears. It never ends. The road of tears. If you come, we meet infantry. Well, he says to Caroline, how would he a happy heart? The pleasure will be mine. She says the pleasure will be mine. The rain was falling down so hard, the drains were overflowing. You'd almost think the flood was coming on. So they huddled in the corner, trying to keep out all the water, and he told her all the things he had in mind. If you come, we meet infantry. Well, he says to paper says the workforce will be laid off after Christmas. There's a downturn in the business, so they say. I'll no sit about here waiting on some company's decision. So on Friday I'll be lifting my last pay. We can pack our bags and leave this place, tag the road to Fintry, for the country air's as sweet as good red wine. And when summertime comes round again and corn is ripe for gathering, we'll find out if my notion's right or right. And if you come with me to Fintry, well, he says to Caroline, I will be a happy heart, the pleasure will be mine. She says the pleasure will be mine. They walked hand in hand and wandered down beside the sleepy river, where the city sounds grew distant in their ears. The moonbeams in the water glinted silver as he kissed her, and the rumble of the city is gone. If we meet to Fintry, well, he says to Caroline, I would hear your happy heart, the pleasure will be mine. She says the pleasure will be mine, will be mine. I'll buy you a penny worth of dreams, if that be the way true love begins. If you'll gang along with me, my dear, if you'll gang along with me.
You can hear a penny worth of dreams, though that be the way true love begins. For I'll never go with you, my dear, I'll never go with you.
I'll buy you a brass of books, 9 times open, 9 times locked. If you'll gang along with me, my dear, if you'll gang along with me.
You can hear a brass snuff box, 9 times open, 9 times locked. For I'll never go with you, my dear, I'll never go with you.
I'll buy you a silken gown, with 9 stripes up and 9 stripes down. If you'll gang along with me, my dear, if you'll gang along with me.
You can hear a silken gown, with 9 stripes up and 9 stripes down. For I'll never go with you, my dear, I'll never go with you.
I'll buy you a 9-string bell to call your maid whene'er you will. If you'll gang